Hello friends, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. I am Swara, and in this video, I will be showing you how to add a product compare functionality to a WooCommerce website. Let's understand the product comparison first. If you have done shopping online, then you have seen a button that says Compare. You can put 2 or more products into Compare. Product comparison helps to distinguish between 2 products through price, rating, availability, etc. Have you ever wondered how to add this function to a website? In this tutorial, we will use the Shop Mania theme, which comes with some pre-made templates that you can install. It is specifically designed for e-commerce websites. To add product compare functionality, we will use the Add Product Compare plugin, as there are all those features that we need. Without further delay, let's get started with how to add products compare to a WooCommerce website. This is our site. Here are the products, but the compare button is absent. To add the compare button here, go to your dashboard. We are at our dashboard now. Head to the plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Click on the Upload plugin. Choose the plugin file, which is Add Product Compare Pro. After uploading, activate it. Let's see the site now. After activation, the Compare button should come in the products. To compare the products, we need to pick a minimum of 2 products. Now, click on Compare. The comparison table shows where various fields are there to differentiate the products. You can customize this plugin from the dashboard. Navigate to ThemeHunk in the menu and click on Products Compare Pro. Here you can customize the full plugin. We have used the Shop Mania theme, but you can use any WordPress theme you desire. Let's test the plugin in the Storefront WooCommerce theme. This is the Storefront theme shop page. Here the Compare button is absent. Head to the dashboard. Go to Plugins and activate the Compare Product Pro. Come back to the website page. The Compare button is here. After choosing the products, you can compare them. This is how we can add compare functionality to a WooCommerce website. If you find the video helpful, you can like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.